My name is Jean-Baptiste. You can call me Jean.
My name is Mikael Beving. I'm one of the co-founders, together with Jean, of Toolspace.
So we're going to have a workshop about hardware entrepreneurship, and we're going to focus on three main areas, which is the mindset for hardware entrepreneurship. It's going to be about how prototyping can be used to validate the market and the technology of your idea. And the third part will be about the circular economy and the circular aspects of a physical product.
It's a very practical, physical and hands-on, a very actionable workshop and days where you learn how to use it for real, and you're going to be more skillful also when you go out. Toolspace is a physical place situated in Stockholm for any product owners that needs to make a decision. And we do that by giving tools, machines, knowledge, network, connections, material knowledge. The main result will be that you will have practical tools, real tools that you use in your real daily work.